Hello engineers, in today's video we'll be discussing an important and interesting topic, and I know that many engineers have faced such a problem. So what you are seeing on the screen there is what we call blank screen. Some people will call it white screen. So in today's video we'll be talking about the major cause of blind screen and the solution to this problem, because it feels frustrated and annoying when you fix screen. You on the phone and you see that your phone is displaying white. You will not be happy at all, because one, you have wasted your time. Secondly, you will not get that money from that customer. So now, what are the causes of blank screen? Today we'll mention either 3, 4 or 5 reasons why your phone usually show white when you solder it or when you LED it. Number one, if you did not LED or solder that screen properly, your screen might likely show or display white. Yes, each screen comes with legs, and for a particular screen to display well, you need to solder it well. So if you don't solder the screen well, just know that your phone will display white. So if you want to solder it, arrange the screen leg well. The screen leg should not cross another phone screen leg, because each screen have their own leg, and if you do not solder it according to the legs of that phone, just know that your phone will not display, or it will display white. Secondly, bad screen. So if your screen is not good, or if the screen is not matchable, or the screen is bad, just know that it will display white. So anytime you want to solder screen, you have to test it first. Look for matchable screen before you solder it. The next one is bad PCB. So when I made mention of PCB stands for printed circuit board. It is also called the panel. So if your phone panel is not good, just know that your phone will be displaying white. You will solder both the Fullcom new screen or any other screen, it will still display white. So when you notice something like that, just change another board or another PCB. Another causes of blank screen or white screen is as a result of spark, or if your phone panel blow from electric light. Yes, there are some phone that if you plug it, if the thing blow, it will continue to show white, and when showing white, it will on automatically. So once a customer brought or bring a phone to you and tell you that I plug this phone for light, the thing on the display, I just know that that phone don't blow. So except you work that phone, you can fix that screen that it will give you normal display. So those are some of the causes of blank screen. I hope you enjoyed the video, engineer. Don't forget to like, share and comment. So if you want to know how to repair phone, both the software and the hardware, you can contact us with the WhatsApp number showing on the screen there. We offer online class and face-to-face class. So don't forget to follow this page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and like our video. Recommend it for others. Bye. See you in my next video. Love you all, my engineers.